Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit custom headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off and cool. This simple process can save you time and money, allowing you to maintain your vehicle's essential lighting yourself. We will cover the necessary tools, accessing the bulb, and proper installation for a bright, safe drive. Before you begin, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a new H7 headlight bulb, and some protective gloves. Open your vehicle's bonnet and locate the rear of the headlight unit. You'll see a circular access panel. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the two retaining screws that secure this panel. Set the screws aside in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the access panel is off, you will see the back of the bulb holder. Gently twist this holder counterclockwise to unlock it from the headlight housing. Carefully pull the old bulb out. Disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb, noting its orientation. Now, take your new H7 bulb, avoiding touching the glass, and connect it to the electrical connector. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting clockwise to lock it securely in place. With the new bulb installed, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you're all set. Now, carefully reattach the access panel, aligning it properly and securing it with the two screws you set aside earlier. Make sure it's snug to prevent moisture ingress. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.